Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio. Today I'm making a video introducing you to part of our team. You know, a lot of times I'm blessed to be the face of the company, and a lot of people think that I do all of this, and they are so wrong. All right, guys, so there's quite a few people here at Volunteer Audio. One of them standing behind the camera. Big shout out to Eric for always getting the footage for us, but he doesn't like getting in front of it, so he's a little shy. We got several other people. We got a great shipping team. We've got Jared, we got Willie, we got Kaylee, Samantha. They're all in the shipping part, making sure everything gets assembled right and sent out to you. And normally Eric and Aaron are in the data side, and we got our sales team. We've got Trent, Richie, Rick, and then on the installation side, I've got my brother Robbie, my brother-in-law Nick, Brian, and myself. But I've got a few here that I wanted to just speak about. First off, a lot of our guys in the phone department doing these sales and tech support will work remotely, so they're not always here. And we've got them here listening to the drop-in subwoofers from Hertz. So while we're in here checking out these new products, listening to them together, because we want to make sure they can honestly give you the right recommendation when you call in, I want to take a second and talk about them. So first off, I got Rick. Rick, you've been with us almost 4 years now?
Almost 4 years.
All right. So Rick, give us a little bit of background about you and what you do.
21 years in the industry, installation, sales, management, and tech support now. I run the day-to-day sales and tech support side.
All right. So at Volunteer Audio, if you call in 1-844-30-AUDIO, if you select sales or tech support, I guarantee you this guy knows something about you calling in and what's going on. And on top of that, he helps us with product development and a lot of great ideas that help move the company forward. Honestly, could not do this without Rick Snyder. Been a huge help having him here. Next up, I got Richie Amaro. Richie, can you tell us a little bit about your past history?
Sure. I've been in this industry for 20 plus years, started in performance, done retail, I've done manufacturing, and now I get to join this team to make some stuff happen for you guys. So I'm excited about this.
All right. So when I met Richie, it was through the 12-volt industry, through Scotia. He worked at Scotia Industries, which developed a lot of parts for us. Years ago, we put the Sony radios in before SoundStream. They were the best thing we had at the time. And the parts that we needed, the interfaces we needed, were developed and made by the company he worked at. So we've had a long relationship together. But on top of that, I got to see his 2005 Road Glide years ago, back in 2015 roughly. And we'll show that picture. I'll send a picture to Eric, he'll put it up. The first bike that I saw, and I think the first bike that Hertz ever put on display with a Hertz audio system at one of the shows. So does he know the product and the industry and also rides? Richie knows all about it. So we're really, really glad to have you on our team. I think it's going to be an amazing time moving forward. And listen, he cares about the motorcycles, the audio, and you. So absolutely great to have him on our sales team and get to help with tech support a little bit as well. Let's move over here to my man, Brian. Okay. So Brian has, he helped us last year. Brian was at Smoky Mountain Bike Week. We did 57 bikes worth of audio in a week's time period. Crazy. And one of the things I love about Brian is he absolutely loves motorcycles, the industry, but also just the experience of riding. One of his favorite things about working here is riding his bike into work in the morning. He loves to ride, but but he absolutely loves the audio side as well. So I love the fact that most of what he learned about motorcycle audio installation, you learned where?
Through your videos.
All right. So watching Volunteer Audio's YouTube, watching those step-by-step installs, really he was doing bike after bike after bike for all of his friends, the guys he rides with. And he constantly would talk to me about it. We'd shoot things back and forth. And I realized he really cared. He was doing a great job. And he didn't have any bad habits I had to unlearn. So I'm tickled to have Brian helping us every day now at Volunteer Audio. Tell us, what do you ride?
2020 Road Glide.
What do you got in there for audio?
Hertz. 8-speaker setup. To me, the best there is.
All right, so it sounds amazing. Every bike night that Brian goes to, we do a couple more installs from people that got to listen to it at that night. So if you're in the Knoxville area at a bike night, you're probably going to see Brian because he goes to all of them, about 4 or 5 a week.
Yeah.
So I want to take a second. I want to let you know a little bit more about what's going on at Volunteer Audio, about the team that we have been putting together. And it's more than what we have here. God has been good, and he's allowed me to really bring in a lot of my friends, family, and listen, you're all family and friends to me. And it has been amazing watching this business continue to grow and the team that we've been able to amass to continue to take care of you. So tell me a little bit about you. I want you to comment below. Give us your name, your location, what you ride. If you've bought from Volunteer Audio before, or if you're thinking about doing it in the future, we've shared a little bit about us here at Volunteer Audio. Now share about you below. And I'll get Trent here in a couple weeks. He's coming in. We're going to do some listening with him, but we couldn't move the whole team at one time, or while they were traveling, nobody'd be answering and helping you. Thank you so much for following us on Facebook and subscribing to us on YouTube, keeping up with the latest in Harley accessories and audio at Volunteer Audio. Like this video. If you do that, it's going to help other people find us, and we appreciate that. And don't forget, comment below about your story. I want to know about you, your bike, and don't forget, we're giving away $250 every week for the rest of the year, and that's what we're asking you to do. Comment and tell us about yourself. Go to Volunteer Audio and submit there. You'll find all the rules. But every week I'm giving somebody $250 to go toward building their bike and making it where you've got an amazing audio system in 2026. Thank you for watching, and as always, God bless.